What are KR actions and how to use them in UpRaise? On my screen, I've already navigated to the objectives and key results screen under the UpRaise app on our Jira instance. And in there, I've opened the Manage tab. Before we jump into the configurations and understand the feature itself, let us understand the concept of KR actions or key result actions. There are two schools of thought when it comes to the definition of key results. One school of thought says Jira issues are essentially tasks and do not deserve to be called as key results. And then the other school of thought says at appropriate places, Jira issues do deserve to be key results within your OKR setup. Now, in order to cater to both these setups, what we have done is under this Manage tab and Key Result Configuration section, we have offered a configuration that allows you to control this approach. You can either go with one of these approaches or you can allow both the approaches together, meaning you can decide to have Jira issues as key results, which happens via this third checkbox. If I uncheck this and save, then that will mean I won't be able to link Jira issues as key results. The second school of thought was do not allow Jira issues to be linked as key results. In such a situation, obviously, then how do you derive the advantage of having OKRs created within your Jira? That will happen through linking Jira issues as key result actions. You'll notice this key result actions checkbox is available only in case of metrics and to-do type of key results. The idea is, since you're saying you do not want Jira issues to be key results because that does not fit your concept of OKRs, what you want to do is you would want to rather identify Jira issues that are driving certain key results, right? To give you an example, imagine there is a metric type of key result that says increase visitors on our marketing website from 20,000 per month to 28,000 per month, right? It's a normal metric type of key result where you're trying to increase a certain metric, a certain KPI. And in order to achieve this key result, you would have to take certain actions. And those actions will eventually be part of your Jira projects. What those actions could be? For example, one of the actions would be revamping the current marketing website with the help of SEO experts, right? That's one of the activities that you are going to perform, and it will become a part of your Jira project. Another activity, another action that you might take in order to hit your key result is maybe moving away from, let's say, WordPress to HubSpot, right? Just to gain the additional advantages from an SEO optimized platform. So there are such multiple actions that you would have to take in order to reach the corresponding key result. The important difference between linking Jira issues as key results and linking Jira issues as key result actions is when you're linking the Jira issues as key results, they are directly impacting the progress of the objective on which they are linked as key results. Whereas when you're linking them as key result actions on metrics or to-do type of key results, they appear simply in the form of directions What I mean by that, let's uncheck this. We have already seen how Jira issues as key results work. So in this case, what we'll do is we'll turn on the link Jira issues as actions checkbox for metrics and to-dos. I'll click on save. Now I'll navigate to the browse page and I'll open up this key result that I want. You'll notice a new section has appeared in here that says actions. These are key result actions that I was referring to. In the description, you'll notice actions are the initiatives, projects, tasks that are undertaken in order to achieve the key result. Connect Jira issues as actions to gain clarity on how the key results are achieved, right? The reason these key result actions, so when I click on add new, I'll be able to link Jira issues or Jira issues via JQL. Pretty straightforward. So if I were to click on search, I'll be able to see some of the Jira issues that match the keyword. And maybe I can just pick up one of them, click on next, add them, and then they appear as an action. But one of the important things to understand here is these are key result actions. Completing an action does not necessarily mean your key result has moved. For example, here, one of the key results for our product team is our product roadmaps get at least 15 votes from customers' prospects. This key result is introduced to increase engagement of our customers with our product roadmap. Now, I can take multiple actions. Maybe I can have an issue, have a story that says add product roadmap to our product. Maybe, I don't know, improve comments rate or comments moderation from our side to get more votes and comments on the product roadmap. All of these essentially could be your actions, but just completing those actions will not get you this number, right? That is why the key result actions are directional. They do not contribute to progress percentage of their parent metric or to-do type of key results in any way. Based on these configurations, you will be able to add key result actions for metric, for to-do type of key results, and accordingly determine how they are impacting the key results that you have set. These KR actions, their linkage will also be available within the UpRaise glance view or the UpRaise panel that's visible on the issue details page, similar to how Jira issues are displayed in that issue panel. I hope that was helpful, and I hope that brought clarity around the thought process of whether the Jira issues should be created as key results or should they only be created as key result actions. Whatever approach suits you, UpRaise is there for you to support all of those situations. Thank you.